Hello guys, good morning. It is me Lalit Misra. Welcome to our online classes. Today I have brought class 11's English book Hornbills, chapter number 3, Discovering Tut, the saga continues, written by A.R. Williams. Students, as you know about the chapter, that this chapter is about a Greek king named Tut, and there is also a belief among Egyptians that there is life after death, and so there is also a story after life. So saga means a long story of events that continues. This chapter is written by A.R. Williams. A.R. Williams is former senior writer for National Geographic magazine and online news. He specialized in archaeology. Before telling further, I am going to tell you the introduction of the chapter. As you know that this chapter is about the last year of a powerful pharaoh named Tut, and this is the story of the last year powerful pharaoh dynasty in Egypt. His name is Tutankhamun. In short, the king is known as Tut. What happens with him? He died in his teenage. His death was an untimely. His death was very much mysterious. It was belief in Egyptians that there is life after death. So, the story of the chapter Discovering Tut the Saga continues is about exploration of Tut's mysterious and untimely demise. Before proceeding further, let us go through the new words. Saga, the long story of death, speculated, guessed. Forensic means use of scientific method in investigation. Pharaoh, the title of ancient Egyptian kings. Cemetery, graveyard. Scattered across, moved fast. Casket, casket means box that contains precious things, but here it is coffin. Probe means examine. Murals, murals means work of art on wall. It means wall painting. Ransacked means robbed or looted. Resurrection means coming to life again. Means after that, if someone is coming to life, that is resurrection. Amulets means magic chains. Anatomy, study of body structure. It is the science of body structure, study of body structure. Constellation, constellation is a group of stars. Now I am going to tell you about key factors of the chapter. As you know it very well, as I have already told you in introduction, the chapter is about Egyptian king that's named was Tutankhamun, and in short he is known as Tut. He was the last heir of the powerful dynasty ruled in Egypt. So after death, as you know what happens, that the person who is dead is buried and forgotten. So he was also worried and forgotten, but it was the interest of the modern world and interest of archaeologists that the tomb was discovered in 1922. So the people of the modern world were very much curious to know the reason and the cause of the powerful king's untimely death. That is why his tomb was taken out and CT scan was done. CT scan, what is the full form of CT scan? Computed tomography. What was the time? It was 6 p.m. Date 5 January and the year was 2005. So when the tomb was opened and mummy was taken out, what happened for the CT scan? Mummy was taken out for the CT scan. What happened then, students? You know, the weather become very much fearful. It was dusty, it was cloudy, it was full of eerie. Why? because it was believed in them that there is also life after death. So they were very much worried about when the king Tut's mummy was taken out. They were very much worried about that it may be that the curse of the powerful pharaoh may fall upon them. And as you know, that these tombs are a place of historical importance, so a great number of tourists came to visit the tomb. Visitors watched, stared with surprise, watched full of wonder what at the murals that are made on the walls. They also looked attentively at King Tut's gilded face. Gilded face means the face that is covered with thin layer of gold. Gilded means covered with thin layer of gold. Some of the tourists were very much afraid of disturbing him because, as I have already told, they believe that there may some curse, there may some rain fall upon them. Jahi Hawass. Who was Jahi Hawass? Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. Jahi Hawass said, what he said, that the mummy was in bad condition. Jahi Hawass reported that mummy was not in a good condition, it was in bad condition. Why? Because Howard Carter, who was a British archaeologist, discovered the tomb in 1922 and investigated the contents that were there in the tomb. He then also found the richest royal collection in the tomb. What was the richest royal collection? There were the dazzling works of art in gold that had caused a sensation, and that was the center of people's continuous attention. And there were also wonderful works of art in gold. In the tomb, there were also many things that were the things of daily use. What were they? As board games, bronze razor, linen garments, case of food and wine. All these things were buried with the king. He also found that the burial cloth was embellished with garland of willow and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals, and cornflowers. So all these things, what the willow and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petals, and cornflower, all these vegetations justifies that the king was buried in March or April, because these are abundantly found in the month of March and April. Students, you know that vegetations are month wise. Carter also realized that the ritual resin had solidified mummy, because ritual means the resin that were used at the time of burying the dead bodies, so it had been solidified and the mummy has been properly cemented to its coffin. So what Carter did? First, Carter used the hot sun to lose it, but it was not possible and his attempt was in vain. So the mummy had to be cut from underlimbs to lift king's remain. Why? Why the mummy was cut from under limbs? Otherwise, what would have been happened? Thief would have been robbed the gold, because these Egyptian kings were worried with a lot of treasury, with a lot of precious things. So these things are always the attraction of the thieves, and thieves always used to loot or ransack them. So it was believed that Pharaoh could take their riches with them after death. And why all these things are kept in their grave in the coffin box? Why? Because Egyptians believes that there is life after death, so the king may enjoy the royal privilege. Later in 1962, first it was discovered in 1922. After that, in 1968, what happened? An anatomy professor x-rayed the mummy. X-ray, it is also X-ray investigation. X-rayed the mummy and revealed that what was revealed, what explored in X-ray, that the Tut's breastbone and front ribs were missing. They were broken and they were not in the dead body. They were missing. All these reports came. Students, now I am going to tell you about Tut's predecessors. Tut's predecessors, as it is ancient history, so many things are not clear, but as much as it is found, so I am going to tell about the predecessors of about the predecessors of Tuts. So there is Amenhotep III. Who was Amenhotep III? It is not sure. He might have been Tut's father or grandfather. After that, who comes in the ruling? That was Amenhotep IV. Amenhotep IV was his son, who changed his name to Akhenaten. Amenhotep IV changed his name Akhenaten. Why? Because he promoted the worship of Aten. And Aten is who? Aten is the god, and this is the god of sun disk. And Akhenaten was the servant of the Aten, so he changed his name to Akhenaten. Next king was Semenkhare. Semenkhare was very mysterious ruler. No clear record is found about him. He was also for a very brief period, and he did not leave any important sign of his time. After that, there was a king, that was Tutankhaten. Tutankhaten, that is known as King Tut, took the throne, and this boy also changed his name to Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun means living image of Amun. And during his reign, the country also witnessed the return of old age, because there has been a lot of changes done under the reign of Akhenaten and Semenkhare. But what happened, that Tut only reigned for 9 years and he died suddenly. Why he died? For that, all these archaeologists tried to investigate. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned to clarify the secret of his death, to clarify the reason of his death. $1 million scanner had stopped functioning, and when the scanning was going on, what happened then? A dust storm came, and this dust storm filled a lot of dust in the scanner. So the $1 million scanner had stopped functioning because of sand in its cooler fan. Anyhow, its cooler fan was rectified, and finally the problem with the scan was rectified and the task of scanning was finished. Jahi Hawass. Who was Jahi Hawass? I have already told you, the Secretary General of Egypt, Supreme Council of Antiquities. Was evidently comforted, and he also felt very much comforted. Because why he felt comforted? After the completion of task, the wind had stopped, and the winter air that was very much cold, that also became still. Just above the entrance to Tut's tomb stood Orion. Orion is the constellation that ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Orsis. Orion, ancient Egyptians know that this is the soul of Orsis. Who is Orsis? Orsis is the god of afterlife, as if watching Tut. It was the belief that Orsis is the god who used to look, who used to guard, who used to watch the Egyptian kings after their life. So this is the story. Students, now I am going to tell you some important questions. I think all these questions you will get the answers from my previous things that I have explained to you. First question is very simple. Who was Howard Carter and what did he find? Many times I have repeated. I have given stress on this point. So students, please watch again and again and try to search the answer by yourself. Next question. Tut was worried in the month of March and April. How did Carter conclude this? On this point I have also given my stress. So students, do not forget the contents which I have explained to you. If answer is clear to you, write down. If not clear to you, watch the video again. Why King Tut's death a big event? It is also very easy question. When King Tut being finally laid to rest, nature was at rest too. Explain it. What were the treasures found in the coffin? Why they put there? Students, this is also the list I have given in the content. Give reason that Carter had to chisel away the solidified ration to raise the king's remain. The reason was that simply it is a very precious things that are a part of great treasure, so that can be looted by the thief. Why was Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures? What were the result of the CT scan? Nature echoed the natural happenings with King Tut's body. Comment, answer in 150 words. So my dear children, these are very simple questions, and these questions you can do by attentively listening and watching my video. So do it. Whatever doubts you may have, that you can put in the comment box and you can ask. I will answer it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and the press bell icon.